Well, this is the end of the mini-series. I will be back here at some point in the future to carry on with it, but for now I need to go home. So just a recap really of what we've done. Some of this wasn't filmed, some of it was. So in the master bedroom, we refitted the floorboards, ready to go, the loose boards ready to go down, ready for to be permanently fixed once all the services have been pulled through, some in here as well. In the master ensuite, we've put dado rail up all the way around. We've put a window board on. We've cladded the cistern and put a new top on. Dado rail continues. We swung that door. That's about it in here. Oh, and fitted the toilet seat, which was a bit of a pain, but that's done. And then out here on the stairway, it's a bit dark, but put a new lip in on here to form the top step. And if I just spin round here, and we put a new riser in as well because that was missing. It's just to clad that piece off, and with the lip there. So that's quite nice detail all done. This will be dealt with once the cables have been pulled through, and then we can close this off at a future date. Okay, downstairs, which is where we've done most of the filming, but we've done some skirting board and architrave, more skirting here, a little piece around here. So we had to cut this in round this bend. The wall curves. I don't know how obvious that is, how easy it is to see, but the wall actually curves. So we just sliced it just to get the curve, corked it up, and the decorator will make that look lovely. Obviously the cabinets went in, the curved cabinet, the cabinet there for the for the washing basket. The big unit for shoes storage and coat hooks will go on there. Then we did the plinth, put new plinths in, extended the posts down to the floor. More plinths, more post extensions there. Swung this door, which now works nice. Put some architrave on, bit of skirting down there. Another cabinet, which is going to be an open cabinet for a bin. And we've got some shelving up here. Shelving over there, all at the same height, all to match, and some shelving there. And that's about it in here. In fact, that's about it altogether. Like I say, it's the end of the job now for this portion of it anyway. We'll be back here maybe end of September, October time. We just have to see how the other trades get on now the joiner's given them a head start. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you soon.